growing up, jail used to always seem like the popular thing to do as far as, social status and just in schools see who the hardest and whatnot. But I think it was very enlightening today just to show that this is not the life for not even just us, but for any person just in general.
Today's experience was a great experience. We learned a lot of different things, different facts about the law system and the youth and different things like that. It was very motivational to hear the different words from the judges and different prosecutors and lawyers, and it was just a great experience.
It's an honor to be a part of the Youth Law Day. Judge Lori Christian, it was her idea that we would have the African American judges put together a program where we bring the kids in to talk about what it is we do for a living. As an African American male, I see a lot of young African American males in court every day, unfortunately, as defendants. So we wanted to bring them in to show them they can become judges, lawyers, law enforcement officers, and so forth. So Youth Law Day is designed to let the community know that the courthouse can be used other than just coming to go to court and go to jail. That's not the purpose. We can actually be a benefit in our community, and hopefully the community recognizes it.
We wanted to put this event together because we really wanted to give kids an opportunity to see some of the different roles that they could have in the court system, other than being charged. And if they were putting themselves in situations that might end up with their role in the court system being the defendant, then we want to deter them from doing that, and then encourage them also just to see all the different roles, whether it be as judge or one of the lawyers, prosecutor or defense attorney, or being an officer or being a clerk or bailiff. There are a lot of different options for them to pursue. And then especially for this being Black History Month, we want to let them know that the past does not always determine their future. And so hopefully today we did that in some sort of way that might encourage them or deter them, whichever way it was, but it looks like it went well, and today was a great day.
It was a great event. We went to the jail part, we saw what they ate and the different stuff that they did, which would make me personally not want to be in jail. And in the court session, what we did is he picked different people to go into either being the clerk or the judge or the jury or the defendant, and we just learned different positions of how it would be in the courtroom, and then we learned what police officers are really there for and that they're not bad people.
It was a great opportunity for them to see the different backgrounds that many of the attorneys have. We had one young man who had some issues in his past, but he overcame and became an attorney. We also had the kids that have an opportunity to talk to the police officers so they can understand how to deal with police officers. This was a great event. We look forward to having it again next year and see this program grow more and more each year.
We had a great CCLA Law Day event today. We just want to thank all of our organizations that came out and brought their kids. We had well over 200 kids, and this is only our second time doing this within the last 6 months. It's been a great success. Our kids went on jail tours. They had an officer talk. They had an attorney panel. They actually engaged in a mock trial. It was an amazing experience. We're so glad to do it, and we cannot wait to see you again in February.